Good morning to all. I am again present in front of you my YouTube channel Dr. RS Mathematics and Geography classes. We are discuss all classes of the mathematics my YouTube channel with the geography classes by the Dr. Seema Rani. She is also PhD NET qualified. I am also PhD in mathematics. So I discuss the all classes mathematics ninth, 10th, 11th and 12th. Previous video discuss Fourier series, Laplace transform, partial differential equation, application of the partial differential equations of my YouTube channel. If you study in these of any one of the classes, then you are join my YouTube channel and complete your syllabus free of cost. और मैं अपने YouTube चैनल पर ऑनलाइन लाइव क्लासेज स्टार्ट करने जा रहा हूं। अगर कोई भी स्टूडेंट आप में से अगर क्लास ज्वाइन करना चाहता है तो मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर 9719163762 पर क्लास और नाम लिखकर मैसेज सेंड करें तो वी आर ज्वाइन and you are joined by the live online classes. So here we are starting in this lectures how to find the partial differential, how to find the nth derivative of the given functions. This is the class for the BTech, BSc and Polytechnic Diploma unit number first for the BTech classes and the different unit type of the BSc and Polytechnic Diploma. First we discuss the most important formula for using in this derivative. So we are discuss first d over dx x to the power n equal to n x to the power n minus 1. You are study in these formula in previous classes 10th, 11th and 12th के power of n, the power of n multiply of the function and 1 is minus. So d over dx x to the power n x to the power n minus 1 and d over dx e to the power x e to the power of x and d over dx e to the power x e to the power x log a base of e and d over dx for the c is the constant function equal to 0 where c is constant function. If you the derivative of the constant function is single individually, then derivative of the constant function is equal to 0. So d over dx sine of x equal to cos x, d over dx cos x equal to minus of sine x and d over dx tan of x equal to sec square x and d over dx cot x equal to minus cosec square x and d over dx cosec x equal to minus cosec x into cot of x and d over dx sec x equal to sec x into of tan x. These are the 6 trigonometrical ratio sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, cosec x and sec x. These formula of this by the derivative. After then we are discuss the most formula of this d over dx product of the two function. How to find the derivative of the product of the two function? Here given the product of two function, then you are find the derivative of the function. First you are find the derivative of function, after then you are find the nth derivative of the given function. So we write the formula derivative of the product of the two function. Please note these formulas. product of the two functions d over dx fx into gx. Here two function, first function is fx and second function is gx. So f of x d over dx g of x plus g of x d over dx f of x. This is the product of the two function. First function as a derivative of the second function plus second derivative as a second function is a derivative of the second function. Your choice, you are choose the fx and gx, any one of these. So division of the two function d over dx fx divided by of gx. Value of this g of x denominator to the whole square and g of x as it d over dx of fx minus f of x d over dx g of x. This is the derivative of the division of the two functions. Both functions are the variables, not a constant function, any one of the constant function. Both functions are variable. Then you write the formula d over dx gx to the whole square gx d over dx of fx minus fx d over dx of gx. This is the derivative of the division of the two functions. And d over dx c of fx, it means c is the constant, fx is the variable. C is the constant multiplied by the variable function. Then your derivative of this, c is out of this, then derivative you find f of x, derivative of this functions. This is the formula of the c with multiply of the variable functions. And next d over dx fx to the power n. You are read the formula d over dx x to the power n x to the power n minus 1. This is the general form. This is the general form, but the d over dx fx x to the power n function of this different of x. So derivative of this function, power of this as it f of x n minus of 1. After then again differentiating of this function f dash of x. This is the derivative formula of this functions. Understand these formula, please make a note. Here अब इनवर्स आपका ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शंस d over dx साइन इनवर्स ऑफ x इक्वल टू 1 upon 1 minus x square in root d over dx cos inverse of x minus 1 upon 1 minus x square in root d over dx tan inverse x 1 upon 1 minus 1 plus x square and d over dx cot inverse of x minus 1 upon 1 plus of x square. Similar, d over dx cosec inverse x 1 upon x in mod x square minus 1 in root, or d over dx sec inverse x 1 upon x in mod x square minus 1 in of root. These are the inverse trigonometrical function formula of this: sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, cot inverse, cosec inverse and sec inverse. Please make a note. If you any doubt these formulas, any concept, then you write my comment box. We are discuss your problem in next video. And I am again request you, if you new viewer my YouTube channel, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Next formula is inverse trigonometrical function is complete. d over dx sin hyperbolic x equal to cos hyperbolic x, d over dx cos hyperbolic x sin of hyperbolic x d over dx tan hyperbolic x, that is the sec hyperbolic square of x, d over dx cot hyperbolic x equal to cosec hyperbolic square x, and d over dx sec hyperbolic x minus sec hyperbolic x cot hyperbolic of x. एंड आपका फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ लास्ट इज गिवन डी ओवर डी एक्स कॉसेक हाइपरबोलिक एक्स इक्वल टू कॉट हाइपरबोलिक स्क्वायर ऑफ cosec hyperbolic x equal to of this minus cosec hyperbolic x into cot hyperbolic of x. sec hyperbolic x equal to this sec hyperbolic x tan of hyperbolic x. sec hyperbolic x equal to formula minus का माइनस सेक हाइपरबोलिक एक्स टेन हाइपरबोलिक एक्स इन कॉसेक हाइपरबोलिक एक्स इक्वल टू माइनस कॉसेक हाइपरबोलिक एक्स इंटू कॉट हाइपरबोलिक ऑफ एक्स. प्लीज मेक अ नोट. Most important formula for the derivative of any functions, and value of hyperbolic, right? Sin hyperbolic x equal to e to the power x, e to the power minus x divided by 2. Cos hyperbolic x equal to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x divided by 2. You are find the any other trigonometrical function for the आपका sec, cosec, cot and tan. Then divide of each, you are find the आपका cot tan hyperbolic function, and आपका reverse of this function you find the value of the cosec and sec hyperbolic of x. Please make a note. Now we start this value of the nth derivative of the given functions. How to find the nth derivative of the given function? For by these formulas. Now let first we discuss the successive differentiation. What is the successive differentiation? We are differentiate any function more than one times. We are differentiate the any function more than one times, that is called the successive differentiation. So we are discuss कि how to find the successive differentiation. After then we are going to the find the nth derivative of the given functions. So we are discuss here one or two questions for the successive differentiations. Question is that now if y equal to sin m sin of x, y equal to sin m sin of x, sorry beta, sin or sin of x, y equal to m sin of x, then prove that question is this कि d2 y over dx2 plus d2 y over dx2 plus tan x dy over dx plus y cos square x equal to of 0. The given function of this y equal to sin x, then prove that d2 y over dx2 plus tan x dy over dx plus y cos square of x equal to of 0. d2 y over dx, it means two times of differentiation. We are use the sum notations of here. dy over dx is also represented by y dash या y of 1. First derivative term represent is so y dash and y1, and similar process d2 y over dx2 equal to y double dash equal to of y2, and dq y over dx cube equal to y triple dash and y3 and so on and so off on. Your derivative of any function, first time derivative you represent the symbol of y dash by 1, या second time derivative by double dash and by 2, third time differentiation by triple dash and by 3 and so on many times. So आपका represent the symbol of these. So please make a note of the symbol. We are discuss this question. Given question here, y equal to sine of x, right? Differentiating with respect to x. तो y of this dy over of dx. Differentiating of y with respect to x. Y is the dependent variable, depend upon the x. So sine, derivative of sine, this is the value of place of theta. Sin theta is derivative of sin theta equals cos theta. Similar process, cos of sine of theta. लेकिन again you are write the formula of this f of x, value of this sin f of x, sin f of x. It means sin is a cos f of x and again derivative of this f dash of x. We are discuss in formula of this d over dx sin f of x. In place of theta is any function. Here the in place of theta given the value of sin x. So you write again differentiate of this sin x is a cos of x dy over dx. Again differentiating of this function, this is the first function and this is the second function. d2 by more than one time differentiation is also represent the successive derivative. d2 by over dx2 is also represent the successive derivative. This is the first function, cos sine of x, derivative of this function minus sine of x plus cos of x as a derivative of this minus sine of x and the value of sine cos of x. You write the value of this in here. So d2 by over dx2 equal to value of this sin x in minus of cos sine of x. Again value of this minus multiply cos and cos sine of x, or this is the value of cos square x. You know about the value of this. This is the value of y. Here d2 by over dx2 minus sin x divided by cos x. You are divide this function by the cos x and after then you are multiply of this function by cos of x. Same procedure apply in this step. Cos sine of x and value of this is the y or cos square of x. We are known at y equal to sine of x. So putting the value of in place of sine x equal to sine of x equal to y. So value of this d2 by over dx2 equal to value of this minus of 10x and cos x or cos sine x. Cos x and cos sine x. देखिए value of this cos x cos sine x, this is value of dy over dx. You write dy over dx or minus by cos square x. You are taking out these value in the RHS. So d2 by over dx2 plus 10x dy over dx plus of y cos square x equal to of 0. This is the required result of the given questions. Understand all of you? If you any doubt, you are write by the comment box. So this is d2 by over dx2 is also called the successive differentiation. You are differentiate any function more than one times, then the differentiation is called the successive differentiation. Similar, we are find the nth derivative of the given functions. Understand? If you any doubt, you write my comment box. Your problem is sort out very soon. Please make a note. Now we are start the nth derivative. Nth derivative, we are differentiate the any function 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. After that we are seeing that the function is some similarity, so we are write the nth derivative of the given functions. Now take the variable of this to find the nth derivative of x to the power of m. To find the nth derivative of x to the power of m. So write now let y equal to x to the power of m. Differentiating of this function with respect to x in y1. Write dy over dx, you write here dy over dx, also they represent the y1. The power of m, this is the initial formula of in general form m x to the power m minus 1. Now you are write d2y over dx2 equal to y2 m, again power of this m minus 1 x to the power m minus 2, and dqy over dx cube equal to y of 3 m minus 1 m minus 2 and x to the power m minus of 3. So you are checking that in questions you are derivative of this function in first time m x to the power m minus 1, second time m minus 1, value of m less than of 1 is 2 time differentiation m minus 1, 3 time differentiation m minus 2, and so on y d to the power n, we write here d to the power of n dy dx to the power n equal to y of n m minus 1 m minus 2 m minus 3 and so on m minus n minus 1 or x to the power m minus of n, x to the power m minus of n. So y of n equal to m minus 1 m minus 2 m minus 3 and so on m minus n plus of 1 x to the power m minus of n. This is the nth derivative of given function of u x to the power of m. First you are find the first time differentiation y1 m x to the power m minus 1, second time y2 m minus 1 x to the power m minus 2, and third time y3 m minus 1 m minus 2 x to the power m minus 3. So you are checking that in questions first time differentiation these are only m, two time differentiation these are only the minus 1 but power is also minus 2. So you got the nth derivative of this function m minus 1 m minus 2 m minus 3 and m minus n plus 1 x to the power m minus 1. Please make a note. We are make the sum formula of this nth derivative formula, putting n equal to of m, putting n equal to of m in given result, you are putting n equal to m of this given result. So y of m minus 1 m minus 2 m minus 3 and so on m minus m plus of 1 and x to the power m minus of m. You are right. M minus 1, m minus 2, m minus 3 and so on cancel out of this. This is the 0. So value of 3 into 2 into 1. Last value was 1, 1 से previous value is 2, 2 से previous value is 3 and so on. So write the value of ym. So you can see that this is the value of the factorial m. So we write y of m equal to factorial of m. Y of m equal to factorial of m. If you are seeing that in questions, if the derivative of the given functions is x की power m, then your derivative this function m times, we are write the direct value of factorial m. The derivative of the given function power of m, your derivative of this function m times, then you write the value of this equal to the factorial of m. ऐसे आपको value of this आ जाए factorial of m. Understand all of you? If you any doubt this formula, I am again repeat this formula. The result of this, you are putting n equal to m in the given result. First we find the nth derivative. After then you are putting place of n is m. Then this formula change in the m minus 1, m minus 2, m minus 3 and 3 2 into 1. That is called the value of the factorial m. Understand? Please make a note. For example, we are discuss of this. If y equal to x to the power 12, to find d to the power 12y or dx to the power 12, your derivative of this function 12 times. Your derivative of the function 12 times. First y1 12 x to the power 11, y2 12 into 11 x to the power 10 and so on. But we are known about the formula of this. Y m equal to x to the power m. That is the derivative of this factorial of m. dm by over dx to the power m. The factorial of m, you write the 12 power of 12 and 12 time derivative of the function. This find the direct value of this factorial of 12. You solve the factorial of 12, known about 12, 11, 10 and so on, 3 into 2 into of 1. This is the value of the factorial 12. Understand all of you with the example? कि power of y equal to function x to the power 12, then derivative of the function in 12 times. So you write the value of this direct. This help by the multiple choice questions the value of the factorial of m. Please make a. Next question is that find the nth derivative of e to the power ax. Find the nth derivative of this e to the power of ax. Now let y equal to e to the power of ax. Derivative of this y1 e to the power ax, differentiation of again d over dx at e to the power x. Then y1 equal to a is this e to the power of ax. So y2 again a, then a square e to the power ax and y3 aq e to the power ax and so on. You are seeing that only the change of the function y1 only 1 power of 1, by 2 power of 3, by 3 power of 3 and this is the similar value in repeating. So yn equal to a to the power n e to the power of x. This is the nth derivative of given functions. Understand all of you? If you any doubt, then write by the comment box. I am sort out your problem in shortly. Please make a note. I am complete syllabus of BTech BSc in my YouTube channel. So please like, share, subscribe my channel and join my channels. Next, that is this. Find the nth derivative of a to the power of mx. A to the power of mx. Now let y equal to a to the power of mx. We known about the formula of this d over dx, a to the power x, a to the power x log a. But value of here a to the power mx, only the m is extra. So you are right, y1 m e to the power mx or log of a. Again y2 m square e to the power mx, again log of a का whole square. And y3 mq e to the power mx log of a का power of whole cube, and so on. You are at the nth derivative. You are change only the value of this. तो yn equal to m to the power n e to the power mx or log of a to the power of n. This is the nth derivative. Very simple formula of this. We are known about discussion previous, अभी just previous a to the power x, a to the power x log base है. Then a to the power x, sorry, a to the power x, a to the power x, तो m a to the power x log of a, then m square a to the power mx log of a का whole square, m cube a to the power है log a का whole cube. then you are find the nth derivative, तो yn equal to m to the power n a to the power mx log of a or n. Please make a note. We are discuss here the most important questions. To find yn of function x to the power n minus 1 upon x minus 1. This is the most important questions for the BTech classes in exam 2012. 2012 in external exams. To find the yn of the given function. Okay, so we are find the nth derivative of these functions. It means saying that this is function are given, you are find the nth derivative of this function. We are not find the easily of the nth derivative of some function. Value of the देखिए अब s to the power n minus 1 division by x minus 1. So you are divide this function by the x minus 1. So you are write x minus 1 simply process xn minus of 1. This is the division process. You are multiply of this any number, this number equal to of this numbers. So you are multiply power of 1 x to the power n minus 1, x to the power, you are multiply x to the power n minus 1, then x to the power n minus x to the power n minus 1. Make the sign minus and plus cancel out of this. Again you are taking out of this x to the power n minus 1 and minus 1. So again you make the power of n minus 1. So this, so x to the power n minus 2 multiply of this n minus 2, x into x to the power n minus 2. This is also x to the power n minus 1. Power of this multiply of power, product of two function power is add when the function is same. So 1 power n minus 2 power, so 1 is plus, so remaining power of n minus 2. Again you are right, x to the power n minus 1 and multiply of minus 1, then x to the power n minus 2. Again change the sign of this. This is the plus, cancel out again, and x to the power n minus 2 and minus 1. Again you are write the value of this plus x to the power n minus 3 and x to the power n minus 2 or x to the power n minus 3 minus and plus x to the power n minus 3 minus 1 and so on. So you are write the value of this yn equal to x to the power n minus 1, x to the power n minus 2, x to the power n minus 3, and so on. This is the nth derivative of this given functions x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 2, and this of this. After then you are find the yn 0. If find x equal to 0, then yn equal to of 0 to the power n minus 1, 0 to the power n minus 2, 0 to the power n minus 3, and so on. So yn equal to of 0. This is also you are putting, then find the at x equal to 0, then you are putting the value of x in place of this, so plus in this of this. Okay, so you are find the yn 0 equal to of 0. This is the nth derivative of the given function. This is not find the previous function by 1, by 2, by 3, and by 4. This is find only these methods. Understand all of you? If you any doubt, you are come write my the comment box. Understand all of you? Please make a note. Most important question for the exam purpose. This question is comes in many times of the external exam. To find out the nth derivative of sin ax plus of b. You are find the nth derivative of this function sin ax plus of b. So now let most important, this is used for the types of the formula. Y equal to sin ax plus of b. You are differentiate of this function with respect to x. y1 cos of ax plus b, and again differentiating of this, you come the value of a. But condition is that you are differentiate the function of this by 1 is cos x, again differentiating this function you are find minus ka sin x, and again differentiating again cos x, again sin x, again cos x. We are not find the any similarity of this function, so we are not find the nth derivative in types of this the functions. We are use the similar small tricks this function to find the nth derivative. So you check it. y1 equal to of this is the function initial function of this, but the change of this the differentiative of the function. We are change of this function in initial functions. We are change of this function in initial function. So y1 equal to a cos of ax plus b. We know that sin pi by 2 plus of theta, sin pi by 2 plus of theta is also cos of theta. You are known about the trigonometric ratio. कि sin pi by 2 plus theta, this is the second quadrant, और second quadrant में sin is theta, but sin change in cos theta. तो value of cos theta, you write the value of this y1a sin pi by 2 plus ax plus b. This is the place of theta. ax plus b is the place of theta. You are change sin pi by 2 plus theta is also cos of theta. This is also change in initial function. Initial function is sin theta. Again differentiating with respect y2. Then a sin differentiating is cos pi by 2 plus ax plus b. फिर again differentiating, this is also constant 0, j0, this is the again a. So you write the value of y2 a square cos of pi by 2 plus ax plus of b. Again you are change cos theta in sin theta initial functions. So please make a note. If you any doubt of this question, first we differentiate of the function with respect to x. So y1 is equal to cos x. But this function is also initially change in sin x. Sin x in formula of this sin pi by 2 plus theta equal to cos theta. So you write the value of this sin pi by 2 plus ax plus of B, this is also the represent the sin theta. Again differentiating, again change function in cos theta. With this function is also again change in the sign of initial functions. So we are right y of 3, sorry, y of 2 a square, right, sin pi by 2 plus of pi by 2 plus ax plus of, again this is in place of theta. So y2 equal to aq sin 2 pi by 2 plus of ax plus of b. Pi by 2 add 2 pi by 2, again by 3 aq cos of 2 pi by 2 ax plus of b. फिर again change of this function by 3 aq cos of, second time differentiation 2 pi by 2, third time differentiation 3 pi by 2 of this ax plus of v. So move of this again and again. You are right, the nth derivative, then yn equal to a to the power n, third time differentiation aq is extra and 3 pi by 2 is extra, then sine of n pi by 2 plus ax plus of b. This is the nth derivative of this function. Yn equal to a to the power n sine n pi upon 2 plus ax plus of b. If you any doubt, please make a note. Understand all of you? That's all in this video. We are discuss more questions in next video to find the nth derivative with the help of this formula and the many other of the formula. Most questions we are discuss, more questions we are discuss in next video. So if you want to the complete your syllabus BTech, BSc and Polytechnic Diploma, then you are join my YouTube channel and you are want to take the all live classes. So you are write my the WhatsApp number 9719163762 with class. Send the message. My WhatsApp number, you are send the message with class. So we are going to start the live classes for these mathematics. Thanks for watching the complete video. I am again request you please like, share and subscribe my channel.